Hey man, I'm Chris with Phone Cats. Here's some gameplay for Driver Speedboat Paradise. This game's climbing the charts pretty quick. Good graphics too. I want to bust out a turbo out the gate. Oh, wait for a moment. Flip it! Dang it, dude. Who starts a video like that? Let's see if I can come back. I'm in dead last. Flip it! Dang it, dude. Let's see if I can come back from that. Who starts a video in last? That's really embarrassing. I'm not doing it again. Oh my god, what if I just kept doing that over and over? I wish I did now. Don't be greedy. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna come back. Bip! Bip! Oh my god, I need to start this video over. We won't. Don't worry, guys. This is literally the first level after the tutorial. We'll be able to come back from this. We're gonna be fine. Don't worry. Don't you sweat it. Don't do a flip. Oh, we're gonna hit this airplane. Ah! Ah! I didn't mean to do 3. We're really gonna win. Like, we're gonna get first. I call it. Alright. Oh no! Guys, we got last? 3 stars. Last place. 3 stars. Oh my god, ease up on spam, dude. You just got banned for 1 hour. That's super lame of you to do. Alright, let's move on to the next level. That was level 1, guys. What? I don't know how they know my name, dude. I never typed in my name, but they got it somehow. Let's go to Miami. But yeah, we literally just finished the tutorial. Well, this guy's obviously Vin Diesel. Let's see what's going on. My name's not Tanner. This sport feels like paradise, but it's not. It's rotten to the core. This is like Aquatic Fast and the Furious. That's my name! That's my name. Alright, let me out. We're already about to buy a new boat. I had that boat for 1 day. Okay, we're bumping up the speed. Okay. Chris is stacked up on cash. Alright. Classic. Let's do it. Alright. Load times are a little bit crude. Welcome to Miami. What is Chadwick? Hear those girls cheering for me? Wow, we just wasted our super. I hope the blue... Oh no, blue is wrenches? God. Oh, that's pro. What? It didn't refill my boost meter? What does the wrench do? Bip! We'll never know. 5 seconds of airborne. Get wrecked. Oh. Ship parts? I'm tearing this ship apart. He got me there. Oh my god, who goes in between 2 power-ups? I'm gonna hit that airplane. Wait for it. You turd! Oh no! Alright. This is like aquatic asphalt. That should have been a crash. I got no turbos! Oh, he's dead. I knew it! We got him, boys! Give me my ship part, dude! We're in 3 out of 6. I need that boost! Pip! Pip! Should have done triple. We could have done it. Hitting that NOS. Low jump. Suitcase. Guys, I was just joking about them knowing my name the whole time. Don't call me ignorant. That's a ban. Pretty chill so far. Good graphics though, dude. Like, this really makes your iPad look good. Wow. We'll do one more level, but yeah, it's fairly tame. What? We got to get first place on one. My name isn't Tanner. My name is Chris. Only the girl knows my name. The dude doesn't get it. He's like trying to be a try-hard bro by calling me the wrong name. No thanks. Yeah, she knows my name. Time challenges. New level. 10 fuel. You bought it. Alright, this will be the last level. Free game though, dude. The title is Driver Speedboat Paradise. If you just want to play something chill that makes your iPad or iPhone look good, download it. It'll be a good level with all this load time. What? We just did this! But now it's a time challenge. Let's get a feel for it. Starting off in dead last, that's great. Haha! On that boost! That's one down. Alright, I've never used the brakes in this game, and I don't plan on it. Bip! Oh no! You got my turbo! Cut it out! Oh god. That's what I get for hitting the brake. Dead last. These fools. They missed the NOS. Alright. Let's hit it. And skid it. Oh no, they took shortcuts. Freaking hackers. I'm still in last. Inside lane? Inside lane? No, he got it! Okay. Boost it! That was no boost. I don't know, man. It really does feel like a slower version, like an aquatic, slower version of Game Loft's Asphalt. I'm only on the first couple levels, and I'm not doing flips when I need to be. So maybe that'll help you earn up boost quicker. Boost it! Bip. What? Every time. Worst Nitro, North America. I don't know how I died. Like, I can use nitrous into a, like, rock barrier. But God forbid you do a flip. Land a little lopsided. Oh my god. Super dead. Keep in mind, we're playing the first couple levels. I still got last. No, 5th place. I thought it flickered to 6 at the last second. Okay. That's the end of this vid. Thanks for watching. Phone Cats.